The ASUS ROG G700 2025 is a high-performance gaming desktop built to handle demanding tasks with ease. It comes equipped with powerful Intel Core Ultra processors, including the Intel Core Ultra 9 and Ultra 7 options, delivering impressive speeds of up to 5.5 GHz. For gamers and content creators, the desktop offers top-tier graphics options, such as the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 with 32 GB GDDR7 RAM, ensuring exceptional performance for 4K gaming, ray tracing, and heavy multitasking. The system supports up to 128 GB of DDR5 RAM, allowing smooth performance even during intensive workloads. Storage is flexible, featuring a 2 TB NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD for fast load times, along with 6 SATA ports for additional expansion. The ROG G700 is designed for convenience with multiple front and rear I/O ports, including USB 3.2 Type-C and Type-A ports, audio jacks, and an Ethernet port for fast connectivity. Its advanced cooling system ensures optimal thermal performance even during extended gaming sessions. With its sleek, bold design and RGB lighting accents, the ASUS ROG G700 2025 not only performs exceptionally well, but also looks stunning in any gaming setup. What makes the ASUS ROG G700 especially important is its ability to meet the growing demands of modern gaming and content creation. With next-gen hardware like the RTX 5090 and DDR5 memory, it ensures future-proof performance for years to come. This model is particularly valuable for competitive gamers who need high frame rates, streamers who require reliable multitasking, and creative professionals working with resource-heavy applications. By combining cutting-edge technology with a thoughtfully designed structure, the ASUS ROG G700 stands out as a powerful and versatile solution for anyone seeking top-tier performance in 2025 and beyond. Is the ASUS ROG G700 2025 the ultimate gaming desktop you've been waiting for? If you think so, like, subscribe, share this video with your fellow gamers and creators. Don't forget to hit the bell for more in-depth tech reviews and updates. Join the Tech Talk community and stay ahead of the game.